The birth of Scarface. In the heart of Africa, a baby lion was born. His name was Scarface. Scarface was a small cub with big eyes and a soft mane. He was born in the Masai Mara, a beautiful place full of life. Scarface's mother was gentle and loving. She protected him and his brothers and sisters. They played together in the grass, learning to hunt and roar. As Scarface grew, he became strong and brave. He loved to explore the land with his family. He watched the other animals and learned how to be a good hunter. One day, Scarface had an accident. He hurt his face and got a big scar. From that day, everyone called him Scarface. Even with the scar, he was handsome and proud. When Scarface became an adult, he joined a group of lions. This group was called a pride. Scarface was not the only male lion in the pride. There were 3 other strong lions. Together they were known as the 4 Kings. Scarface was brave and wise. The other lions respected him. He helped lead the pride and protect them from danger. One day, another lion pride tried to take their land. Scarface and the 4 Kings had to fight. The battle was tough. Scarface used all his strength and courage. He roared loudly and fought bravely. In the end, Scarface and his pride won. They protected their home and their family. This made Scarface even more respected by his pride. Scarface became a father. He had many cubs and he loved them very much. He played with them and taught them how to hunt. Scarface was kind and gentle with his cubs. He made sure they were safe and happy. The cubs loved their father and wanted to be like him. Scarface was always ready to protect his pride. He watched over the lionesses and cubs. When danger came, he stood strong and brave. Scarface fought off other lions and even hyenas. His pride trusted him and felt safe with him around. Scarface's scar made him look fierce, but his heart was full of love for his family. As Scarface grew older, he became wiser. He knew the land well and understood the animals. He led his pride to good hunting grounds and safe places to rest. Other lions came to respect Scarface for his wisdom and strength. He ruled the land with fairness and courage. Scarface's pride flourished under his leadership. Scarface enjoyed many peaceful years with his pride. He watched his cubs grow up and become strong lions. They had their own cubs, and Scarface became a grandfather. He loved playing with the new cubs and teaching them about the land. Scarface was happy and content, knowing his family was safe and strong. As Scarface became very old, he faced one last battle. A young, strong lion came to challenge him. Scarface knew he was not as strong as he used to be, but he fought bravely. He wanted to protect his pride one last time. The battle was hard, and Scarface was hurt. But in the end, the young lion respected Scarface and decided to leave the pride in peace. Scarface passed away peacefully, surrounded by his family. He had lived a long, full life. His pride mourned him but remembered his strength and kindness. Scarface had taught them how to be brave and loving. His legacy lived on through his cubs and their cubs. The land of Masai Mara continued to thrive, and the story of Scarface, the brave lion with a scar, was told for generations.